Hello guys, you're welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love winner Kachi peddles his partner Rosie. The feeling of becoming a winner for the first time still glows emotionally within the Ultimate Love reality TV show power couple Rosie and Kachi, simply known as Roksie, as they keep fans glued to their social media pages on their steps and journey to forever. They in turn prove that they never lag behind on the fact that both of them are meant to be. The Imo State native has peddled with no ado before his ever-blazing fans that there has not been any more beautiful lady than his ultimate love, Rosemary Afuwape. Kachi has also shown through several of his posts that he really appreciates whoever got involved with making sure he and Rosie made it out of the show as winners. Starting from Imo State sister and Big Brother NAIJA first female winner Mercy Ike, Kachi told her in a post that he appreciates her love and the fact she is his sister. Then Big Brother NAIJA host Ebuka Obi-Uchendu has also received a mild appreciation from Kachi, who wrote to him that his own wife has inspired him to see every beauty from Rosie's eyes. Kachi didn't end his vote of thanks with exemption of Goddess of Beauty and Nollywood multiple award winner Rita Dominic, who he thanks for a consistent shout out during the show. Yeah guys, drop your comments in the section below, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.